everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I'm going to be testing out some magnetic eyelashes. I am not really a false eyelash wearing type of person, mostly because I don't really trust myself with glue near my eyeballs, and I know that lash extensions have become a really big thing, which sounds like a great idea in theory, but I've also heard horror stories where people have had allergic reactions, and I'm just too afraid to do that. And also, it seems like it can be kind of expensive. So I found on Amazon a kit, which is eyeliner and eyelashes. And I think that this was on sale for about $15. I think originally maybe it was $23, but I feel like for everything you get, it is very affordable. So I will open it up and show you what is inside. Oh my goodness. So you get 5 eyelashes, and you have some more natural lashes, some more glam eyelashes. You get 2 eyeliners, it looks like, and you get a little, I don't know what that's called, but you get it. And yeah, that's amazing for $15 in my opinion, because I think that you can actually reuse these lashes multiple times. So I think that that is a great deal, and they look so pretty. So I'm really excited. I am a little nervous because one of the worst makeup products for me is liquid eyeliner. So much so that I don't think I own any anymore. I strictly use pencil because for some reason I feel the most in control with pencil. So yeah. Where I probably should read instructions. I wasn't planning on it, but dip the brush in the eyeliner. Okay, I think I can do that. To slowly guide the brush along your lash line, starting from, okay, so put on eyeliner is essentially what it's telling me to do. Angle the brush tip from the outer corner of the eye up toward the end of your brow, creating a flick. Okay, it's trying to teach me how to do eyeliner, which honestly, I could use some advice, but for fill in the wind, fill in the wind? Fill in the wind with 1 or 2 strokes. Does it mean wing or what? Fill in the wind. 5, pop your magnetic lashes for bigger and sexier eyes. 6, after using and taking off your lashes, clean the magnets carefully so you can reuse them. Clean the magnets carefully. How do I clean? Oh, whatever. I don't care. Ooh. Okay, I think I am ready. I do already have eyeliner on. It's with my pencil. I think that that would be okay. I feel like I need a guide. Hopefully I can get used to the liquid eyeliner and just do it by itself, but I feel like for my first time I need kind of a guide, so I'm just gonna go over my pencil eyeliner. Hopefully that works. I guess we'll find out. They gave me 2. That is so nice. Also, I think I saw that you can buy these eyeliners individually. So if you are good with your lashes and you don't need new lashes, but you just need refills of your eyeliner, I'm pretty positive, not 100%, but I'm pretty positive that I saw that you can get refills of just that, which is awesome because it's already a good deal. But if you can get, oh, people are jogging, it's like 5 degrees. What are you doing? So yeah, I think I'm going to go off camera, try to put on this eyeliner just to follow my guide as much as possible, and then we will put on some lashes. I'm thinking we might go with, I don't know, these last ones look very exciting to me, but maybe I'll do the 3rd row. They're like, well, I was gonna say they're natural. I don't think any of these are really all that natural, but they're not as glam. They look like little spiders. Oh, they're soft. Okay. I am pleasantly surprised. That was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. And I don't know if it's because I already had the guide or if it is just this eyeliner is so good. I would be nervous to do this without the guide, but I feel like I could. I don't know, but that was easy. So I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. I don't know if you can see it. I think you're supposed to wait for it to dry. Does it say that in the instructions? Shake the bottle before use. Oh, oops. Make sure to do the allergy test before using this product on your eyelid. Did not do that. Performance will be better if eyelashes are placed before the eyeliner line dries completely. So should I put them on now? Read the above tips before using product. Okay, I think we are going to go for it. I am going to do the middle row. I feel like it's a good balance of somewhat natural and not. I said to bend it a little. I don't know. I don't want to break it or anything. I hope this isn't too big for my eyes. Okay. How do I think it's, oh, it's a little more glam than I was expecting, but that eye's embarrassing now. Wait, I gotta do the other one. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, she's a little wonky. Oh, I think I got it. Dude. Girl. I'm shook. Where have these been all my life? Oh, I've been missing out. Girl, they're so pretty. And they fit just like that. So easy, they're comfortable. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting this to work. Not this well. Well, I think it is safe to say that these are amazing. I don't know how long they'll last. They feel secure. They don't feel like they're going anywhere unless I want them to. I'm shook. I know that these had really good reviews, but I don't know, something about it just felt too good to be true. Why are people gluing eyelashes on? Why are people getting lash extensions? Girl, all I needed was a little bit of eyeliner and throw them on and they're good to... But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this helped someone. Go get yourself some false eyelashes. Even if you're a dude, they're so much fun. Just do it. But yeah, I hope that you all have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.